solving trigonometric equations, we have a good question here. Solve the equation square root of 3 secant square x minus 2 tangent x minus 2 square root of 3 equals 0. Many students ask me, how will we answer this kind of question when we have different ratios here, secant and tangent? So if you think with me here, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and tangent is sine over cosine. Let's do that here. So this will be a square root of 3, and secant is 1 over cosine, right? Okay. Minus 2, tangent is sine over cosine, fine. Minus 2 square root of 3 equals 0. Now we plan to multiply all terms by cosine square to just get rid of any denominator here. So we need to eliminate any denominator, so multiply by cosine square each term. So we will multiply by cosine square, and here's by cosine square, and here's by cosine square. Okay. So cosine square cancel cosine square, and square root of 3 left, minus cosine square cancel cosine, and cosine here left, so it will be 2 sine x cosine x. Good. Minus cosine square times 2 square root of 3, so it will be 2 square root of 3 cosine square of cosine x equals 0. Okay, it looks better now. No fraction and sine and cosine. Okay. If you think with me, right away you're gonna capture this. Look, get it. So you get this here. And remind me what we have here regard to this formula here. 2 sine cosine. I'll leave it for you for now. Okay. And here is one spot for it here. This is okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I hear you. You tell me that 2 sine cosine will be sine double. Oh, thank you. Sine double. Okay. So this form will be negative sine double. Good. And let's gather this together, which is, we'll do it with green. Green it. Let's green it. Yeah, green exists here. And this, okay. We got square root of 3 is common here. Square root of 3. So we will take, have our spot here. Yeah, have to be organized. Yeah, okay. The green spot here will be for this operation here. We're going to take square root of 3 as common here. So take it out, square root of 3 plus square root of 3, open parenthesis. Square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 is 1, minus 2 square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 is 2, and cosine is square of x left. Good. We became closer to the solution now. Okay. Remember, the formula for 1 minus 2 cosine square is the formula for what? Cosine 2x. Good. So this one, this part here, this one, 1 minus 2 cosine square will be cosine double x. And we still have square root of 3 waiting outside. Okay, good. All right. Okay. Now we need to separate those terms. So if we add sine 2x to both sides, we could separate sine 2x. Sine 2x equals square root of 3 cosine 2x. Yeah. Okay, the last or before the last step is to, if you combine cosine and sine together, so you divide by cosine 2x, you divide by cosine 2x. Look at this here, we'll make it little here, divide by cosine 2x, it will work. Divide by cosine 2x. This will be cancelled out, and square root of 3 left. Square root of 3 left. And left side will be sine of 2x divided by cosine of 2x. Sine over cosine is tangent. So it will be tangent of 2x. Oh, come better. And now we need to get rid of tangent. How to eliminate tangent? Attach arc tangent to both sides here. And then arc tangent cancel tangent. Then 2x left. So here's arc tangent of tangent 2x. And right side will be arc tangent of square root of 3. Then arc tangent cancel arc tangent and 2x left. So they cancel each other and 2x left. Yes. So 2x equals arc tangent of square root of 3. Let's find out which angle has square root of tangent equals square root of 3. Think about that. So if we know the Pythagorean theorem here, the opposite will be square root of 3. Adjacent is 1. Hypotenuse is 2. And this is our angle. This is not 30 degrees because if it's 30, 1 will be over here. It will be a half. This is 60. So this is 60 degrees and equivalent. So go over the circle here to know where is the location of 60, the positive tangent here. Positive tangent. Okay. Okay, y-axis, x-axis. Perfect, but let's do it. Okay. I know. Okay. Imagine this is our unit circle. First, second, third, fourth. And our positive tangent must be in first or second. So if you do first, so it will be like that. And this is our angle here. The opposite is square root of 3. And adjacent is 1 because tangent is opposite over adjacent, square root of 3 over 1. And hypotenuse is 2. So this is 60 degrees and it's in first quarter. This is the first solution. We could say 60. So we have two solutions for that. Two solutions. 2x could be 60, or you spin around, complete a circle, 360 n or k. And this is the first solution. Okay. You could divide all, then x divide by 2x equals 30 plus 360 divided by 2 is 180. That's 180n in degrees. And 180 is pi. So it will be pi n and pi n. And 30 is pi over 6. That's in radian system. The second solution, that tangent is positive in second two, and third two. So tangent is positive in first and positive in third. So if we drew this, it will be, okay, yeah. The angle is here, and we know description for that. This is the opposite square root of 3. Adjacent is 1, will be negative 1, and this is negative square root of 3. You gotta know everything here. And this is 2. Yeah, this is negative, this is negative. We do care about this angle, that it will be 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60. So 2x, let's change the color, make it 2x equals 180 plus 60 is 240 degrees, plus completed circle 360 n. Then divide all by 2, then x equals 120 plus 180 n. Convert to radian, x equals 120, it's 60 times 4, yeah, 60 times 2 is 180, and this is pi over 3, 60 times 2, so it will be 2 pi over 3. Make it with detail, 2 pi over 3. 180 divided by 3 is 60 times 2 is 120, plus 180, we know it's pi n. So this is one of the two solutions, and this is one of the two solutions from 0 to 2 pi.